Okay, hi everybody. This is your first real assignment for SketchUp. So here goes. Just follow this. This is me following and doing it um, with the same Google Slides that you will get. So using the rectangle tool, create a rectangle that is 4 by 6. So we're going to use rectangle here, and you're going to click at the origin, make it live going this way, and write 4, 6, enter, and then you get this. Okay, so we have that 4 by 6. That's what it should look like. Good. Use the push-pull, make the height 7 inches. So push-pull, it's here. Go up 7. This is what we should have. Using the pencil tool, cut the front face in half horizontally and the right face in half vertically. One thing that this will do is it will show you the pictures. And remember, it'll lock in at the halfway mark. So do that, follow the colored line across, find the midpoint here, follow the colored line down. Now you're left with this. Using the push-pull, pull the bottom of the front face of the rectangle out 3 inches. So that's that part. So push-pull this way. As it's live, you write 3, enter, and then that's what we got so far. Using push-pull, pull the right rectangle on the side of the rectangle out 5 inches. So that's that part. So push-pull, pull it out 5, enter. Notice you might want to change how you're zooming in throughout just so your perspective is okay. Using the circle tool, create a circle on the lowest top face with a radius of 1 inch. Make sure the circle is perfectly centered. So you want to hover on the edges to find the midpoints. And then we did that last class. Use push-pull, pull the circle up 4 inches. So that's a lot. So what we do over here is we're going to go to the top face. Inside the rectangle tool, you'll find the circle tool. Hover over the midpoint, hover over this midpoint, and then that'll get you here. Click, and then 1, enter. Awesome. And then I think it also said to use push-pull and pull it up 4. So take push-pull, like this, keep it live, up 4, enter. Good. Change our perspective a little bit. On the largest front-facing rectangle, create a rectangle slightly smaller than the actual rectangle. That's this area right here. Using push-pull, push the figure in 1 inch. So this to that. So here, you're going to get the rectangle tool, which is hidden in that circle tool now. Looking at the front face, you don't want to lock on, but if you zoom in and put it somewhere like right there, you know that that's close. And then kind of zoom in towards this corner, put it close. So good. Now you've done that. This is really very similar. And then push-pull, push it in. I think it was 1. Good. Now that's what we're looking at. On the top of the circle that has been created and pulled out, create another circle with a radius of 0.5. Make sure it's perfectly in the center. And then pull that smaller circle up 2 inches. So now we take this circle tool, find the center. If you hover over any of this like faces on the circle, you'll find center. This is 0.5. Good, so that's centered. And then I think you pull it up 2, right? Yeah, 2. Confirm it's, yeah, it's centered. Okay, good. All right. What else we got? The rectangle facing the right face is this one, is 3 by 7. Break it into 3 equal sections vertically. So what you do, if it's 3 inches, take this, click on the endpoint, and you want to measure this. So you want to write, while it's live and you click the pencil tool, you write 1, enter. Now that will tell you that this is 1. Follow the colored line down. Ooh. All right, something curious happened there. So here, follow the colored line down, good. And then since the last part is just 2 inches, you can just cut that in half. All right, we'll finish up next video.